there's no precipitation, and you should wear a jacket, a scarf, and a hat today. And it's cold out, and there's no wind conditions. We have to play inside. Today's temperature is cold. It is calm, and there's no precipitation. We should wear a jacket and a scarf and mittens and stay inside. Today is cold, and you're going to have to wear a beanie and mittens and a scarf, and there's no precipitation, and it's calm. You need to go inside. The weather is cold, and you need to wear a jacket, a scarf, and mittens. There is no wind condition, and there's no precipitation. You should play games inside if you want to. The temperature is going to be cold. You're gonna have to wear mittens, and it's gonna be cold, and there's no precipitation, and the wind is not, and it's calm. And you need long sleeve shirt. You should play games and stay inside. It is cold outside. There'll be no wind, and there's no precipitation. You have to wear a jacket, a hat, a scarf, and gloves. You should play inside and do games. It is cold, and there's no precipitation. You need to wear a hat and mittens and a scarf so it don't get cold. There's no wind. We need to play inside. It is cold outside. There is no precipitation. You should play inside, and the wind is calm, and you want to wear some mittens and a scarf and a hat. It's cold outside. You should wear mittens, a hat, and scarves. There's no wind condition, and there's no precipitation, and you should play inside and drink hot chocolate. It's cold.
Your side. Okay.
There's no precipitation, and it's calm. And you have to wear a hat and gloves. You have to stay inside and play some games or do something that's inside to do. It's so cold, you have to wear gloves and a hat and a scarf. And there's no precipitation. And there's no wind. And you have to play in the class. There is no precipitation. It's very cold outside. You should wear a beanie, mittens, a scarf, and a heavy jacket, and you cannot play outside, and there is no wind. It is cold outside. It will not be no precipitation. There's no wind. You should wear mittens, gloves, and a hat and a scarf. You need to stay here because it's cold outside. You have to wear mittens and scarf and gloves, and it's not cold, and there's no imitation, and there's no wind. Play inside the classroom. Today is cold, and you need to wear a hat and gloves and a scarf. Today is clear. There's no precipitation, and you can play inside. It's cold outside, and you would wear no beanies, a beanie and some gloves and a scarf, and there's no precipitation. There's no wind. You should play in the house. Today's weather is cold and there's no precipitation and no wind. You might want to stay inside and wear gloves, mittens, scarf, and you might want to stay inside and play. Today is cold and it is a good day to play inside, and the wind is calm and there is no precipitation. And you can wear long sleeves. It is cold outside and there's no precipitation and it's clear, and you should wear a jacket and you should wear mittens and a glove and a hat. You should play inside. It's cold outside. There's no wind, no precipitation. You wear a jacket and you play inside.